Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're talking about how to make money using Python. Whether you're a beginner or you've been coding for a while, Python has tons of opportunities for you to earn some cash, from freelance gigs to building your own products. Stick around, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to start monetizing your Python skills.
Why freelancing? Freelancing is a great way to get paid while honing your Python skills. There's a huge demand for developers who can automate tasks, analyze data, or build web apps.
Popular platforms, Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer are popular sites where clients post their Python-related projects, ranging from web scraping to machine learning.
Tips for getting hired. Craft a strong profile showcasing your Python skills and previous work. Offer competitive pricing when you're just starting out, then increase your rates as you build your reputation.
Freelancing is an awesome first step because it lets you build a portfolio and get paid while doing it. Just make sure to communicate effectively and deliver on time to earn great reviews and land more gigs. Frameworks to know. If you're aiming to make money building websites or web apps, Django and Flask are your go-to frameworks. They're powerful, relatively easy to learn, and have large communities for support.
Monetization methods: client projects, create websites or internal tools for businesses, subscription-based apps, build a software-as-a-service product and charge a monthly fee. E-commerce sites help small businesses go online by developing their stores using Python backends.
Learning how to deploy your apps, whether on AWS, Heroku, or other hosting services, can increase your earning potential. Clients love developers who can handle the entire process, from coding to deployment. In-demand skills. Companies rely heavily on data-driven decisions. If you can use libraries like Pandas, NumPy, and scikit-learn to clean data, build predictive models, or perform in-depth analyses, you're golden. Potential projects: market research for businesses, sales forecasting models, automation of data entry or reporting. These services often come with higher price tags because they require specialized skills. If you enjoy working with data, this could be your niche. Automation. People and businesses are willing to pay for scripts that save them time, like web scrapers that gather data automatically, or small programs that handle repetitive tasks. Productizing your code. You can package your tool with a user-friendly interface or offer it as a service. Sell it on platforms like Gumroad or set up a simple website to showcase and distribute your product. Maintenance and support. Don't forget to offer updates, bug fixes, or custom features to keep customers happy and generate recurring income. YouTube tutorials. Share your Python knowledge on YouTube. Monetize your channel with ads, sponsorships, or affiliate marketing. Online courses, platforms like Udemy, Skillshare, or Teachable let you create and sell courses on Python. Ebooks and blogs. Write in-depth guides or how-to articles and earn through ads, affiliate links, or direct sales. If you enjoy explaining concepts and helping others learn, teaching can be both lucrative and rewarding. Those are just 5 ways you can start making money with Python. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any future tips. Thanks for watching, and happy coding.